Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm a bit late uploading this week, but hey, I am here. Today's video is gonna be a waxing tutorial. I'm basically gonna be showing you guys how I wax my armpits for them to look like this and like that. If you're new on my channel, my name is Sindisiwe, where I make self-care and food videos. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to also turn on the bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. And for everyone else that's already subscribed, you guys are my dear ones and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And you guys know that I don't like talking too much, so let's jump right in this video. So these are definitely not the best pits you're going to see on YouTube, but if you really want to learn how to wax at home, please continue watching. So the first thing that I usually do before I wax, I usually check the length of the hair. You want to make sure that your hair is long enough, that way it can stick to the wax. I usually apply the powder, that way I remove like the moisture that's in the hair, because if there's a lot of moisture, the wax doesn't stick really well, and you want to make sure you apply the powder really well, and the area should be dry before you apply the wax. I'm going to be using this popsicle stick. As you guys can see, I usually just get enough wax for that patch that I'm doing. You want to make sure that you kind of press the wax in the hair. I usually like pass the stick around on the section about 4 times to make sure that the wax sticks really well. So the way you apply the wax is you apply the wax against the direction of the hair growth. So my hair grows upwards, as strange as that may sound. So I apply the wax downwards against the direction of my hair growth. Then when I want to pull out the wax, I pull it in the direction of the hair growth, which is upwards. So I'm just going to get the cloth right now and just lay it where I've applied the wax. And I usually just press in the cloth on the wax to make sure that it really sticks to the wax. And I usually press it until I kind of start seeing the wax on the cloth. Not literally, but like kind of something like that, where I can see that the cloth is really stuck to the wax. Then I make sure to just take a breath in, then I breathe out when I pull out the cloth. So I usually do like 2 sections for my armpits because I'm obviously used to waxing. I've been waxing for about 3 years now, so it's not something new to me. But if you are new to waxing, you want to make sure you do little sections. That way you're gonna have a great experience because you're gonna reduce the pain by a significant amount. But if you're gonna do a whole section and pull the cloth out, well, if you want to find out, you could try that right now and you're gonna see how that is gonna turn out. For me to check if I have like left any smaller hairs, I get a mirror. That way I just put it closer to my armpit and scan around, see if I've got smaller hairs. Then I'm just gonna get some wax and apply on those areas and get a cloth and clean those little hairs out. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the aloe vera and clean out that excess wax, because it usually causes like some sticky feeling and I don't like that. So I usually just get the aloe vera and get a cotton pad and clean the area really well. And after I'm done cleaning it out, I usually let it air dry for about a minute or so. Then I get the witch hazel and apply to the area. The witch hazel is good because it will close your pores and it also stop razor bumps. It's really good. I would advise you not to use strong stuff like Ten Skin. Ten Skin really stings when you apply it immediately after hair removal. So you want to apply Ten Skin maybe the next day in the evening or something, like maybe after 24 hours. So now that I've applied the witch hazel, I'm basically done on this armpit. I'm going to go ahead to the other pit and basically repeat all the steps that I explained to you guys. out. It usually takes about a month for me to wax again, because my hair takes time to grow. And I feel like I really like waxing, because not only has it reduced like ingrown hairs or razor bumps. I used to have razor bumps, and it has reduced like the ingrown hairs by a great amount. So I usually just wax once a month. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I really hope you like this video. Please make sure to like, share, and leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in my next video.